Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called TekhGiant, which is an one-click start tech site that auto drives tech enthusiasts from around the world and sell them top rated tech products completely hands-free. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses for you guys. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of our brand new software TekhGiant. So TekhGiant is a cloud-based application that will help you to create a complete ready technical site with just one click, and you don't need to create any post or you don't need to do anything. So this is the dashboard, and you can see that a complete overview of the application here. And this is the left sidebar. You can see the features here. This is the backend of your site, and you will have full control over your site. So let me show you the site first. You can see that the right side you will see a I button here. Just click on it, and this is the site. You can customize the site from the backend. So let's go back to the backend, and from here you can see that the dashboard, then the training section, and in the training section you will find the training and tutorials, and you can see that the edit profile section. From the edit profile section you can edit your profile image, and you can set the name, first name, last name, and the username, phone number, address, city, country, state, and you can update them from here. Then you can see that the menu builder. So the menu builder will help you to create menu and customize them. You can see that these are the menu. So you can create them, you can customize them, you can delete them from here. Then you can see that the basic settings. From here you can set up everything like the theme, information, logo, favicon, preloader, website appearance, home sections, page headings. Also you can set up plugins like Google Analytics, Discourse, and WhatsApp. Then you can set up the SEO information. You can set up the cookie alert. Now let's go to the domain and URL section. So this is the path-based URL. So if someone wants the URL of your website, you can give them it from here. Then you can see that the post management. From here you can set up the post. You can set up the view type, standard view, grid view, and you can upload them from here. Then you can set up category, and from the post section you can customize them, you can add new post, you can delete them. And the best part of this application is that the post will update it automatically. You don't need to update them manually. Then you can see that the about me section. From here you can set up the slider, image, information, social links, testimonials. You can add partners in your website. Then you can see the advertisement section. From here you can set up the advertisement part like the Google AdSense. You need to put here your Google AdSense publisher ID. If you don't know how to find it, just click here and it will show you the process how to collect the publisher ID from your Google AdSense account. So you can add advertisement manually from here. Just go to the advertisement section and click on add. You can select the advertisement type, then you can select the size. Alright, now let's go to the footer section. So from the footer section you can set up the footer text, and you can add quick links. So let me show you in the website. So in the bottom of the website you can set up here the quick links, you can set up the footer text. Then you can see the registered user section. So here you will find the registered users who will sign up from your website, like here using the sign up button. Then you can see that the subscribers section. So from here you can manage your subscribers. Then you can see that the language management, where you can set up the language. Then you can see that the announcement pop-up. So if you want to set pop-up in your website, you can add them from here and you can manage them from here. Then you can see the follower and following section. So these are the followers who will follow your social media from your website, and you can see them from here. Then the change password section. So from here you can change the password of your account. So this is how you can customize the site from the backend of the application. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.